Hi, I'm Hester and today I'm going to show you how to make a high fashion volume look. This is one of the looks that we've done on Camille Razat in Mallorca. I'm going to start at the nape and I'm using the Amplify Root-Lift Spray Conditioner to add more volume at the roots but also to nourish the hair. I'm going to section the hair first half up so I can work quicker. Then I start here in the nape, making my section horizontal, starting from roots and a little bit mid-length and in the ends. Before I'm going to start drying, I'm also going to use the Amplify Mousse. I shake it before I start using it and I apply it in horizontal sections from the beginning of the forehead towards the nape. You can use or your hands or you can use a brush, and I start in the back and then I work my way towards the front to even get a better even distribution of the product in the hair. I'm going to put her hair upside down again and we're going to start drying with the blow dryer but then without the nozzle, so I have a wider distribution of heat. So now you already see I have a lot of volume, but I do like to layer. In the back here there is a little bit more hair, but on the front her hair is finer. One more time, just at the front, some extra Amplify Mousse because I really want to uplift the hair at the front. The next step, I'm going to take my round brush and only the top layers I'm going to polish before I start using the bigger curling iron. Just using a little bit of working hairspray for me to get a little bit more grip on my brush and also to protect the hair while I'm using my blow dryer. For now, I'm going to use the working hairspray. We're going to make more bigger chunks or sections just to make it even more polished with the big curling iron. The hair is still warm. The texture of the hair changes when you cool it down. So or you use the diffuser and you blow dry it and you put it on the cool button. Because I do shows and shoots and also work in the salon, I know how to reduce time and to make it easier for myself. I'm gonna leave this setting in how it is and I take my pins out, but in between, before I start brushing the hair, I'm going to use nude powder spray already on the sections that are very clearly that you see now. And then when I brush it, I don't have to redo it again, so it makes my time even quicker. So now I'm going to finish with the strong hold spray, really to have that lift there on the sides, and then I'm going to dry it in with the diffuser to make it set. We're going to finish the look using the working hairspray on your brush to make this nice soft polish. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this, subscribe and then I see you next time.